not sure if you can feel that.
Yeah, I definitely can.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
And then you're done.
Yay. Oh, wow.
I'm gonna say, okay. Good. Gonna hold some pressure here. Let me know if anything is dizzy. Open up your eyes for me. Just look straight ahead. Doing good?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Okay. Let's see what this side has. I'm going to shake you and wiggle you a little bit.
That's okay.
I'm going to flex this joint, see how it does. There you go. I'm going to work on these later, but I'm testing them out right now.
Okay.
Okay, you ready for the adjustment?
Yeah.
Turn this way, chin up for me. Yes, there you go. Perfect. First adjustment. There you go. How did it feel?
It felt good.
That's all it is.
It didn't feel like how I expected, but it felt good.
Just kind of a relief of
Yeah,
pressure.
yeah.
So it's going to be like that kind of the whole way down.
Oh, good.
Right here. That's all it's going to go for now.
Okay.
Yeah, most of it spun around on the back.
Yeah.
On the right. I was like, yeah, it's not going to go. There you go. It's already moving. You're good.
Yay.
Very good. All right, I'm going to want you to relax there, chin up past 90. I'm going to do the feet.
Okay.
This tells me where you're placing your weight. Ankles. Oh, that was a hip too. Same thing that side. Good. Any pain when I do this?
No.
How's your knee? Very good. The other knee. Here we go. Any pain?
No.
Oh. Face this way. Let's see how much we did. Just take your head. Good. And then this way. A little better? Is it still
Yeah, there was
a
no
little bit?
like cheek pull.
Okay. Yeah, that cheek pull is probably a facial nerve or what is that? They're cranial nerves in the skull
Okay.
that innervate the face. When you get that top bone moving, it generally leaves the pressure off of the nerves. Anything real sharp or poking you at all?
No, no sharp or pokey.
Okay, because I'm going through pretty much all of the vertebrae here. I do feel congestion here. Mostly on the right-hand side. Not as much on the left. Your spine does like to kind of bend to the right here. So you will feel me putting slightly more pressure on this side. You ready for another adjustment here, okay?
I'm ready.
She's like, I'm ready. I know I am, and I'm getting work done. I'm like, please somebody help me.
I've just had it for so long, and I've tried so many different things, so
Okay, well
I'm
this should be a
excited.
good... Now, this one's a little rough, the one on the top, okay?
Okay.
Try to support the head a little bit here. Take a deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Yep, as I push. And there it goes, okay.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. And out. And then we're going to go right up at the top. Feel okay so far?
Yeah, it's been good so far.
Okay, deep breath in. There we
Oh,
go.
wait. There's nice.
Yeah, just trying to kind of mobilize that region.
Yeah.
Deep breath in. And out. Perfect. Okay. Nice. Take some breaths. Here we go again. And then I'm going to pull, okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay. Done. You did good.
No, it feels good.
Yeah, this, I'm not sure if you can feel that.
Yeah, I definitely can.
This side isn't as bad. But right here is that's the swelling right there.
Oh, so it's swelling.
Yes. You
Okay.
have a lateral curve, which means it goes side to side. And it bends on this right side. And as it bends, fluid, mild edema builds up in the tissues.
And it's always kind of just like been there.
It's not going to go away unless the bend goes away.
Okay.
There's sometimes a compensation down here. Yes, there is, right here. Does that make sense? So it's bending on the right, and then at the last second here it switches. In your lumbar spine, it's on the left. There we go. Perfect. One let go there.
Yeah, I felt that.
Is this okay?
That's okay, yeah.
Okay. Wiggle. It's just kind of like what we did with your neck. I'm going to do that here. Next one down. Breathe. On the exhale, we go down. That's it. Again. There it goes. Doing okay?
Yeah, no, that actually feels really good.
No, I do feel a little one over here. And then on the exhale, here we go. Perfect. Other side. Most people kind of jump off the table with that one.
I mean, it felt good.
Good?
Yeah.
I'm just warning you. All I can do is tell you what most people
No, I appreciate it.
what most people go through, but if it's good for you, then great. Great. So less sensitive than this part.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like up by the ribs, it gets more sensitive.
Okay, you know what? That's for me too, so that makes sense. It's totally, common. My ribs, I'm like, oh, careful, guys.
That just feels good.
Great. I feel one here. Here we go. This just shortens the muscle so I can get a little bit deeper. Perfect. And then I'm just going to go right here on your glute here.
Okay.
Come up into the neck. Yeah, good. There we go. Good. Breathe. And exhale. Lets me get a little deeper. And again. A little sensitive here.
Oh, that was good.
And again. Again. I've almost got it. Excellent. Arms up over your head. Just touch your elbows there. Good. You made it through most of it there. Oh my, okay. It's there.
I knew it.
It's there. We're gonna take a picture. Oh, and we can see the ribs over here. That's great. Getting all that out.
That tickle.
All right, done. Not sure if I can get this one. Yeah, this one's got junk in it. Gunk. That one I might have to do a little bit different move.
Okay.
What I want you to do is just come back just from where you are up on the table.
On my knees.
So your hands are gonna go here.
Okay.
Yep, and then you're just gonna kind of bend your knees and kind of child's pose. Yep, and then just head down this way.
Okay.
Yep, and I'm gonna get this one, okay? Oh, there she is. These muscles are deep,
Okay.
so I have to bend you forward in order to get them. And you're flexible enough to do it.
No,
Your
this
knees-
is fine.
Yeah, your knees are good.
Yeah.
Can't do this to everybody. This all goes away. 7 days. Okay, and good, and relax. And go back down to the where you were.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you your back. We're gonna take a picture real quick. Come on up and just kind of gonna show you what it looks like.
Oh gosh. Oh wow. Yeah.
Okay, that's totally normal.
Okay.
We'll see what we get in the upper back, but see how you're kind of already pink?
Yeah.
This pink is gonna go away.
Okay.
You know, naturally as your body would normally. This dark purple stays about 7 days. It will gradually fade
Okay.
immediately.
Okay.
Do you know what arnica gel is?
Yes, I do.
Put that on there. It cuts it in half.
Okay.
Time, okay.
Thank you.
All right, and we're gonna do the upper back as long as you're fine with it.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Yep, and it's bruising again. Kind of the same. You're doing good. Here we go with the neck. Doing okay? Is that
Yeah,
right?
that's
Sometimes
fine.
it's intense. You know, the neck is more intense than the other regions.
That's okay right now.
I always say anything from the neck up, you know?
Yeah.
It's just one of those things. Like, oh, my neck. Just right here. I'm right here. Deep breath in. All the way out. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. Come on up.
Okay.
You're good. Cold at all?
I'm okay.
All right.
Oh wow.
So this is the back. The neck is not as bad.
No, not at all. Okay.
But yeah, no, I promise this will all go away.
Okay.
It's going to take a good 7 days. Make sure you use some arnica, okay?
I will.
That's just sitting there underneath the muscle.
Yeah.
So like if I were to do it to you next week,
It would be.
it would be way less.
Yeah. That's.
Yeah, I kind of went hard on you.
No.
I was like, I'm sure she doesn't want to come in next week. So.
No, it didn't hurt. It was good.
No, it shouldn't hurt.
Yeah.
It's just the more congestion that you have, it just comes out. It's a pretzel one.
A pretzel.
Well, we call it the pretzel one. Bottom leg is straight, top leg is bent.
Okay.
And you're kind of going to lie on your back, sort of.
Okay.
And then I'm going to roll you towards me, and I'm going to adjust this SI joint right here, okay? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Other side. I'm just going to hold you to the table. Perfect. Good. Next time you'll be like, you'll know exactly what I'm saying, okay? Well, this is stuck. Here we go.
Ooh. Just ooh.
I don't know that. I'm like, I told you, I was like, oh, let me take care of that for her. So you're going to press out against my arms. 5, a little harder, as hard as you can. Okay, good. And then you're going to squeeze the opposite way. Hard as you can. Perfect. Come on up. Ready for another round of pops, upper extremities.
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah.
We'll check the hand. Right there. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah, I feel just a little catch. Bend your elbow for me. Right here. Right there in your palm. So on your back for me, I'm just going to have you bend like this. I'm just going to massage this again, okay? Here we go. Is that okay?
Yeah, no, it feels nice.
I got you. And then here we go again. Keep it there, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
You're very flexible. Very good though. And then you're done.
Yay.
You did it.
I did it.
Now let's test it out. Come on and stand up. So my goal is that, which you can do now.
Yeah.
Okay? I couldn't get you to here before.
Okay.
You're gonna be sore for 2 days. Drink lots of water.
Okay.
As much as, you don't have to, you should kind of be floating though. Okay?
Sounds good.
That just prevents that feeling of being ill.
Yeah.
Okay, because all of this is in your back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How you feeling?
I feel good. Yeah, like a little sore here, but pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay. It should ease up. Once that soreness goes away, you should start feeling better, which takes about 48 hours.
Okay.
But you should already kind of notice
Yeah, like
what will be coming down
yeah.
the road.
Exactly.